Day 3, where we left off. Couldn't have asked for a nicer day. You're excited? Did you see these steps? I'm not excited. Look at my little side bag. I have a feeling today's gonna be a good day. The rocks are slippery from the rain yesterday, so I'm gonna take it slow. Wow. Imagine having to go down this in the rain. Totally different from yesterday, right? I wish you all could smell how nice the air is right now. That's how you look right now. Whoa, that bird was loud. 4 kilometers left. They did sound like ducks? Yeah, but when I looked, it was like a bunch of lily pads, so I probably toads. No ducks were there. Alright, let's see how zigzaggy this is. We're just getting started. Oh my goodness. This isn't a windy, zigzaggy road. Still going up. That's pretty. I'm breaking a sweat. It's been a while. Alright, 3 kilometers left. This is picture worthy, right? Whoa! Look at that view! Look at that view! Wow, what a nice path. Okay, are you ready? Kiwi, you know what's coming up. I guess I'm intended to walk here, huh? So used to walking on the street, everyone. All right. Did you see these steps? Now you tell me? I wouldn't have picked this. I would pick the easier one. I mean, yeah, this is easy. It's not too bad. Okay, birdies. Do I go in here? Or do I follow the arrow? I'm sweating, look. I'm drenched in sweat right now. Yeah, I have a feeling this is going to connect to it. Because the ribbons are here. Let's see. Let's follow the ribbons and then we'll see. Yeah, I am running on empty. Clouds are moving. Yeah, so I'm glad we at least saw the forest. Did you all see that sparrow fly right by? 안녕하세요. I need one of those. I need one of those. So on a rainy day, right? Now we're gonna get the end stamp. There's so many stamps. Which one do I get? 13. Oh, I do need. 안녕하세요. 혹시 그 제주 올레 매프 있나요? 어제 비 와서 다 젖어서.
아, 예, 하나 드릴게요.
네, 영어랑 한국 하나씩.
영어는 지금
영어는 없어요?
지난 거는 있어요. 지금
아, 괜찮아요.
몇 개가 틀린 게 있어요.
미국형이요.
그렇죠.
네. 제 발음이 좀 그렇지. 아, 사이길로 가면 돼요? 네. 여기 근처에 먹을 거 뭐 있나요?
먹을 거
많아요? 아, 그럼 뭐 먹고 네. 네, 감사합니다. 좋은 하루 보내세요. Are they open? 안녕하세요. 식사 되나요? 이모님 혹시 소다는 어떤 소다 있나요? 소다, 사이다? 아니면
사이다.
콜라? 사이다?
콜라, 사이다, 화타 다 있어요.
아, 다 있어요. 근데 코크 제로는 없죠.
네?
코크 제로.
네.
사이다 주세요.
사이다.
네.
오란씨.
아, 제가 한번 볼게요, 가서.
카스.
파산이 주잖아요. 네. We finished course 13. It took us like 2.5 hours maybe, but given the time, we decided to just take it easy today. You don't need to know how to read Korean, right? You all know what that means. Jeju Cafe dot new something. Why gotta be closed? I want coffee. I need coffee. But I have to walk fast because the whole trail is 7 hours. So I need to get to the halfway point by 3.5. Probably this way and this way, right? That is split up. Well, if we get lost, we get lost. If you just go, you will get there. Okay. I think I got it. Hold on. Let's check up there. I can't believe I'm saying it. I should follow neighbor. Look at that. Oh my gosh. 제주도 가고 싶어요. 어제는 비가 엄청 많이 왔어요. 근데 오늘은 날씨가 너무 좋아요. I can speak it comfortably, but when it comes to reading, I take forever to read it. Take a photo of this. Oh, this is a nice one. I like this one. Thank you all for sticking it out with me. We made it to the halfway point of course 14. Look at that. All right. Course 14, halfway point right here. I'm so glad we got that. With the beautiful golden hour sunset. No problem. Thank you so much for the cheers, Bunny. You want to see something funny? I took a photo here 3 years ago. I was probably like sitting over there somewhere. Let me look at the picture again. Look at that. Wow, hold on. Half the time, I'm not even sure I'm capable of walking certain distances. Everyone in chat makes me feel like Superman, so I just keep walking and walking until eventually we get to spots like this where we can enjoy the golden hour. Thank you everybody for watching. Thank you for the follows, the subscriptions today.